I was sick for the last 5 days, and that was very, very scary. But today, we are going to go for a dinner. Normal na talaga na we cannot pick the occasion, but we're going to make the most of it as much as we can and celebrate it on the day na lang na pareho kami libre. That was a very... Alexa, stop. That is my medicine. I have to take my medicine now. I was sick for the last 5 days, and that was very, very scary. Back in Tuesday and Wednesday, every morning, pagkagising ko, I would feel like having a fever. Sore throat when I would wake up. And the moment that I would clean my throat and do the toothbrush, I would feel better. Okay na ako for the whole day. At night naman, I would feel feverish. Yun lang for 2 days. And here comes Thursday. I think bumaba na yung immune system ko because hindi na ako makatulog, because I was overthinking of the stuff that would happen to me. And this time, pag nagkakasakit ka, ang dami pumapasok sa isip mo, knowing the fact na bago lang kami dumating from Philippines. And this time, pag nagkakasakit ka, iba talaga yung dating sa'yo. Here comes Thursday. Pumunta kami ng friend ko sa Chadstone. And okay pa naman. I was just ranting lang kasi hindi ako makatulog the night before. And I only had few hours of sleep. At pag uwi na namin, I felt lightheaded and felt dizzy. And pagka the next day, yun na, na-feel ko na I wasn't feeling well.
Happy John Brady.
Hello, babe. Pero nung Monday, I think Sunday lang nag-worsen yung feeling ko. At I think, pagkainom ko ng antibiotic, Monday, I was feeling a lot better na. There was a difference from how I feel from Saturday and Sunday. Monday, kahapon, natulog lang talaga ako. And every time I would sleep, I would wake up a lot better. And now, medyo okay na yung pakiramdam ko. Hopefully, I'm praying to God. Hopefully, na okay na ako. And I'm just going to give myself a rest for today, which is Tuesday, and nothing will be done today for myself, at least. Wala akong gagawin other than resting and making myself some time to recover. If you're going to hear the air condition, that's fine, yeah? So, today is Sunday. Friday was the Valentine's Day, so most probably it's the 16th of February na. Last February 14th, we were all working, me and John. On that day, I received flowers from Mr. John Michael Bruni and also a chocolate which I devoured already. Also, we had a lunch/dinner around 2 p.m. A small lunch. But today, we are going to go for a dinner kasi Sunday is our free time. Normal na talaga na we cannot pick the occasion, but we're going to make the most of it as much as we can and celebrate it on the day na lang na pareho kaming libre. Kung saan, I don't know. I just woke up pretty much. Normally talaga pag Sunday, wala akong masyadong gagawin apart from having so much sleep and also having a good meal for the job well done for the week. Anyway, on Monday and Tuesday, I'll be back on track again of doing stuff. Last week, I was just doing my videos. I was completing my videos kasi when we were in the Philippines, I didn't touch any of my video. I was just happy to vlog because when we get back here in Australia, nagtrabaho kaagad kami. Both of us are already working. I was working for a week and nagkasakit na ako for another 2 weeks. Wala na talagang time para mag-touch ng video. I was so pleasantly happy na after some weeks, I was able to touch my videos. After a week na nagkasakit ako. And finally, it's all complete na. Ano pa ba? Oh, ito nga pala yung flowers na binigay ni John. This is it. The yellow one, he gave it to me 1 week and a half before the Valentine's. And then the red one, which is isa lang, he gave it to me on February 14. Yeah. So handsome.
Memory serves.
We do have a problem, a very serious problem. It is currently past 7 na. Oh no, past 8 na pala. But I did a lot of the things that would make me sleep. Like, I took a shower, I read a book, and before that thing, for an hour, I was running on a treadmill. But none of those helped me to fall asleep. I'm up since last night. John told me that since I don't have a routine, like going to the gym, doing stuff ko, because normally talaga, gumigising ako ng mga 1. But then again, we always food prep na. So, in my head, I would be relaxed and I could have a sleep further 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. This is the reason why John told me that maybe because you have been sleeping until 4 or 3, John suggested that wag na lang daw ako munang matulog for the rest of the day para makatulog ako later on the night ng maaga. So for today, I'm going to unbox the things that have arrived from Amazon. I have ordered some foliage. There's more coming pa. I would show some stuff for you guys na I would make a change in the house kasi feeling ko since pa-autumn naman, I would juice up a little bit in the house, like, because the interior of the house is white and brown. I was thinking for the house not to be so cold in the winter time, I would change the foliage to brown, red, and yellow, or even maroon or dark red, almost like a black. So I have purchased from Shein, Temu, and Amazon. Yung dumating pa lang is Amazon, and I want to change the foliage for the house to make it a little bit warm in the winter season, and hopefully it will turn out very good. I will do that later on when I'm more relaxed kasi kinakabahan ako na hindi ako nakakatulog. Nagpapalpitate ako for the past few nights. I'm just waiting for John to wake up kasi normally 9 talaga si John nagigising. He told me that he's going to do some errands before he goes to work. I would also like to cook, food prep the meal that I have marinate since Monday. So, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday na marinate na talaga siya. Nanunuot na talaga yung mga sauce, tagos to the bone na. And also, if I would do my me time today, kasi yung me time ko today is to sleep. Yun lang talaga yung gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko today.
Oh, I don't think chicken wings before. Did you see where's our baby? Move.
You should get a baby.
Did you really see that?
Yes.
What something?
No. And I told when the fridge will arrive. It's a good joke, yeah? Yes, no.
Alright.